Okay, let's talk fleas. They like to crash on your pet's plush bed, your cozy carpet, and upholstered furniture. It's time to roll out the not-so-welcome mat. Step 1 in flea eviction: clean everything. Wash pet bedding, vacuum carpets, and if you can, steam clean furniture. Fleas hate cleanliness. Now, for our DIY flea repellent, we start with salt. It's not just for popcorn. It dehydrates fleas like nobody's business. Next, we add baking soda. This is the dynamic duo of flea disasters, like Batman and Robin, but for pests. Mix equal parts salt and baking soda in a bowl. This concoction is your flea-fighting superhero. No capes, just efficacy. Sprinkle your dynamic duo powder over carpets, pet bedding, and upholstery. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum up the remnants, and hopefully the fleas with it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.